This amazing view is made up of more than 1 million images. It encompasses 5 different stellar nurseries located an average of about 1,500 light years away. This mosaic image, which was assembled by astronomers using the ESO, or European Southern Observatory's VISTA, or Visible and Infrared Survey Telescope for Astronomy. These star-forming regions are located in the constellations Orion, Corona Australis, Ophiuchus, Chamaeleon, and Lupus. They make up a pretty big area in the southern hemisphere's night sky. The survey is specifically taken at near-infrared wavelengths. That's because infrared allows us to peek through the gas and dust of these stellar nurseries and see what's happening inside. That means a lot of what you're seeing here would be either outside the bands of visible light or obscured by gas and dust. Here's a really cool example of that. This is the Coronet star-forming region as seen in visible light. It's about 400 light years away. This picture was taken by the La Silla Observatory in Chile. Now here is the region in infrared light as seen by the Vision survey. If you really want to see the details, you can go to the ESO's website and they have a tool you can play with. Drag the slider to compare between infrared and visible photos. You can actually see the stars coming out as I drag the slider. Want to see another example? This is the Lupus 3 star-forming region. In visible light, this time taken by the VLT survey telescope and the MPG ESO 2.2 meter telescope. Now here is the infrared image. Using the slider tool again, let's look at it. And you can find this on the ESO's website. I'll put a link below. This is just a really cool way to look at these objects, though honestly they would look incredible in any light. VISTA is specifically designed to map large areas of our sky. The diameter of the observatory is the equivalent of 3 full moons within our sky, which means it has a pretty big field of view. The individual photographs that make up the mosaic, called the Visions survey, were taken over a 5-year period. The goal is basically to understand more about how and why stars are born, and what conditions lead to planetary systems forming around stars. Because the survey studied stars over a period of a few years, that'll also help astronomers understand the small changes that lead to star formation, as well as how young stars move around. These movements are so small that it's hard to detect them from Earth, but this data is both broad and deep. It'll allow astronomers to zoom in and really see what's going on. A paper on the mosaic was published in the journal Astronomy and Astrophysics.